boy MNTBN.
Okay, hi guys, this is your boy MNTBN up for another video, and today's video. So nandito na naman tayo sa ating mumurahing studio, and of course, I'm really excited to tell you that I have now a ukulele, ukulele pons. So that's it. Let's have a little story time. So that's it. I've been so obsessed of having a ukulele since then because nanonood po ako ng mga tutorials ng ukuleles and something like that. But I'm not really into an instrument talaga before. Like, meron akong guitar before pero nasira din siya. And I'm not really into, hindi talaga ako magaling talaga sa instrument ukulele. Meron akong mga pinapanood na YouTubers like Chloe Moriondo, she's very cute, and Cave Town. Marami akong mga gusto na YouTubers na gumagamit ng ukulele. And that's it. That's why I'm eager to buy a ukulele. Nag-order po ako sa Lazada. Nag-scroll po ako sa Lazada at nakita ko nga ang Clifton Guitars na company. And I saw their amazing Beachman guitar, something like that. At ayun nga, nanood din po ako ng mga unboxing ng mga ukulele at doon nga ako na-fall in love sa ukulele dahil meron na isang YouTuber na si Charmaine na isang ukulele cover. Nagka-cover siya ng mga kanta sa ukulele. Taga Mindanao siya, and I will just put the link below para ma-check out ninyo siya. And that's why binili niya yung Beachman ukulele. And ito na nga, binili ko. At after a few days, like 8 days, ko siyang hinintay. At dumating na nga siya. Fucking awkward. Bago rin nilabot dito ya? Thank you.
How was it?
Ayan!
Naman gusto ng ukulele, nabot lang ana niya.
How was it?
It's so cool! Thumbnail! Ayun, dumating na siya is bigla-bigla ko siyang in-unbox agad-agad kasi nga meron akong lakad nung time na yon. Go na!
Go.
Hi guys, this is your boy and today we're gonna unbox our Beachman ukulele. This is gonna be a fast unboxing kasi meron pa kaming lakad. So let's go. God. Yung bag niya po na string bag. Lalagyan po ng ukulele. Here it is.
Next, the ukulele itself.
I have to be fast kasi meron pa akong lakad. Wow! Look at this one! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Ah! And this is the strap. Nilalagay mo dito
Oh, it
sa
has a strap.
ano. Yay! Thank you. Oh, Mojud. Yay! Thank you, Beachman ukulele. Okay, so meron talaga siyang nakalagay dito na Beachman ukulele. And what is fun about this ukulele, dahil waterproof po siya, so madadala ko kahit saan ko gusto. Yeah. Ito nga ang laman ng ukulele na sa Clifton Guitars galing. This is waterproof. And this is its lalagyan. So very comfortable and very comfy siyang dalhin. And also, meron siyang strap, which is an ID strap for ukulele. Ganito siya gamitin, guys. You put it like an ID, tapos ilagay mo dito sa circle. Parang ganyan. Parang ano lang siya, para siyang pang-support lang kapag ano mo, kasi diba kung wala siyang strap, gaganunin mo sa kamay mo. So kung meron siyang strap, you don't have to have a problem in handling your ukulele. So that's it. Na-tune ko na din po to. And the sound is really amazing din. So i-try natin sa chord na C. Let's try G. Sobrang ganda ng quality of sound niya. And I'm really excited na magagamit ko to. And I'm really also excited na matuto po ako mag-ukulele. Meron akong medyo alam na kanta. Real Friends by Camila Cabello. No, I will stay in tonight. Skip the conversation and oh, I'm fine. No, I'm no stranger to surprise. This paper town has left me too many times. Why time? Give me a reason why. I thought that I could trust you, never mind. Why all the switch inside? Why do I draw the line? Satisfied. I'm looking for some real friends. All me down. At ayun nga po, pasilip pa lang po yun sa mga gagawin kong covers dito sa channel na to. And that's it. All in all, sobrang ganda naman ng guitar na nabili ko. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you. This is your boy MTBN signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up. Tweet me as your boy MTBN. And that's it. Bye-bye.